फैक्चुअल पॉइंट की तरफ से हम यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं। ये तमाम मुलाजमीन फ्राम अक्रॉस द कंट्री, फ्राम पंजाब, फ्राम KPK, फ्राम सिंध, फ्राम बलूचिस्तान एंड फेडरल कैपिटल ऑफ Islamabad, they have gathered here with their demands from the government, federal government and provincial governments, that their salaries should be increased. Uh, Inflation has risen to very much high level, and it has become very much difficult for the people to live, to make to both ends meet. It has become very much difficult and impossible for them to live a decent life. That's why they are forced in this situation to come over here, and their demand is only one, that they should be given handsome package by the government, so that they could perform their duties well, so that they could be free from their mental agitation, so that they should feel rather more comfortable and calm while they are performing their duties. Because poor financial circumstances, they do affect performance of employees, performance of workers. So that's why large number of people have gathered here, and they are not going to you see give up their demands. They are asking the government that the government should heed to them, and should have some understanding with them, and it should be at earliest. ये लोग बड़े जोश में हैं, ज़ील में हैं, और इनमें, और ये शौक से नहीं है, ये हमें नज़र आ रहा है, लोगों के हालात से नज़र आ रहा है, किसी शौक से नहीं है। ये इनका प्रॉब्लम फाइनेंशियल इशू है। फाइनेंसेस जहाँ डिस्टर्ब हो जाएँ, कोविड ने और फिर इन्फ्लेशन अक्रॉस द ग्लोब जो है वो मसाइल हैं, तो गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट जो है वो एट, और प्राइवेट सर्वेंट हो, गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट हो, वो सफ़र करता है। टैक्सेस, डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस, इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस, एवरी टाइम ही सफ़र्स. So people are here, and government is requested that some attention should be paid to their demands, and some warm heart, some sympathetic mind should be shown to this public. And this is democratic government, of course. And Imran Khan, he came up with his slogan of change, and there should be changes in the lives of people. Their lives should improve. This is democratic government, and the democratic governments usually, they are for the people, as Lincoln said, Abraham Lincoln. They are for the people, by the people, and if they are for the people and by the people and of the people, so they should serve them. And we are very much hopeful. We are optimistic that this government will do something for these employees, and hopefully things will be sorted out. Of course, they have come out over here. There are constraints maybe for the government too, but I believe there would be certain things settled, and there would be some demands, reasonable, respectable demands would be met. And we are hopeful that this dharna would peacefully end. And these are very much peaceful people, of course, very much peaceful people, and but their demands are genuine. Thank you.